two Jin Schools to release. I haven't started editing yet, but finally I will be able to do this week. I'm going to put this up there in order to give you guys a farewell to Tekken 7. We are going to talk about precision in Tekken 7 as Jin, something that he became a pioneer on, and then we are going to talk about movement flare. So we're finally going to cover in a technical aspect how to flicker, how to goofy, which I'm not much of an expert, and how to STM in these three styles. It is something that in Tekken 8 isn't as relevant because backdash was heavily nerfed, but still there and is going to be there for some extent. I still think flicker is still the style to go, and STM is kinda dead as well, so goofy maybe, but flicker is the style to go in Tekken 8. We are going to cover this in two separate Jin Schools. It was initially just one, but I had to cut them in half in order to not make them very long. So I'm going to cover precision first, then we are going to talk about movement flare, and I already have everything recorded. It's just time for editing, but as I work myself a lot for this month, and while I'm going to wait for payments, this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of December. So see you guys on the next one. In order to support this channel, I do not have Patreon, but if you really want to support, just give your like to these videos, subscribe, let me know what are your thoughts in the comment about the game, what you are expecting to, who you're going to main, if we can work something out in order to help you out to learn your character quicker. And see you guys on the next one, which isn't going to be too far. So see you guys really soon. Take care, guys.